I'm Anna. I'm a production supervisor on the shift from 6 to 2, and I went to school at Hamilton Fraser High School. So we are an injection moulding company, which we produce human healthcare products as well as animal care. I was an operator, so packing plastics into boxes, checking raw material, and then promoted to be a QC on shift, which was afternoon shift. So I worked as a QC for 9 years, and then they've asked me to become a production supervisor just because they saw the potential in me in regards of being a good team leader and managing people. So what I love about being a production supervisor is every day is a different day which you challenge yourself. I love working with my team and managing. So my advice, have your eyes wide open. You never know what will fall on your lap, and once you have it, you can use it to your advantage and become a person in the organisation, and you can love what you do as well. My top career tip would be to have people skills as well as computer savvy, and a must-do positive attitude.